Think becoming a CPA is just about crunching numbers? Think again. This certification is your golden ticket to some of the most respected, high-paying jobs in accounting, finance, and even executive leadership. But what does it actually take to become a certified public accountant? Stick around. We're breaking down every step. First, let's clear up what a CPA is. A certified public accountant is more than just an accountant. It's a licensed professional who's met strict education, examination, and experience requirements. CPAs can audit financial statements, sign tax returns, and even represent clients before the IRS. In other words, they're the real deal. Step 1 is education. To even sit for the CPA exam in most states, you need 150 semester hours of college coursework. That's more than a typical bachelor's degree, which is usually 120 hours. So what do most people do? They either earn a master's degree in accounting or tack on extra credits after their undergrad. Make sure your coursework covers key areas like auditing, financial accounting, taxation, and business law. These are usually all required. Next up is the infamous CPA exam, also known as the Mount Everest of accounting. It's a 4-part exam, and you have 18 months to pass all 4 after passing your first section. The sections are AUD, Auditing and Attestation, then FAR, Financial Accounting and Reporting, Regulation, like tax law, and BAR, Business Analysis and Reporting. Each section is 4 hours long and combines multiple choice questions, simulations, and written tasks. This exam is no joke. The pass rate for each section hovers at around 45 to 55%. Once you pass the exam, you're almost there, but not quite. Every state also requires verified work experience, usually 1 to 2 years under the supervision of a licensed CPA. The work must be in accounting, auditing, tax, or something closely related. Some states also require an ethics exam, usually an online open book test designed to make sure that you understand the professional responsibilities of a CPA. Finally, you'll need to apply for licensing in your state. This means submitting proof of your education, exam scores, work experience, and any other documentation that your state board requires. Once approved, congratulations, you're officially a CPA. Yeah, it's a long road, but here's the payoffs. CPAs earn significantly more than non-certified accountants. You also open the doors to roles in auditing, financial analysis, consulting, and even the C-suite. It's a credential that commands respect, not just in the US either, but internationally as well. So if you're thinking about going all in on a career in accounting, earning your CPA is one of the smartest moves you can make. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more accounting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.